everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video we will discuss our next assignment that is related to chapter 4. So before going to solve this assignment step by step, I'm just going toward one of my client whom we solved this module and he got this course and he got 100% marks, above 95% marks you may see. Okay, we have also done another graph of same student and in which he got also good grade. Okay, this one, then next is this one, I think so. So you may compare that we just solve that and my client got above 95% in full course. So now we are just moving toward our file. So first of all we will open our instruction file. It is just getting opening. Now we have to make that bold, we have to make that zoom so it must be visible to everyone. Okay, so here we just okay, so in today's video we will discuss Excel 2021 MOS chapter 4 project SIMnet. It's a SIMnet project. Okay, so here is the name, that Excel 2021 MOS chapter 4 project. We just increase its size. Okay, so these instructions are compatible with both Microsoft Windows and Mac operating system. So here is instruction about the file, that what we have in today's file, how we have to solve that one. We just simply read that one and get idea. In this project you will be working on sale data from pharmaceutical company. You will be completing steps covered the perform operations by using formulas and function objective domain. So this was instruction about the file. Now we are moving toward here. This project covered the following most objective. So we will cover following objective: format text by using concert and text join function, then count cells by using count, counter and count blank function, then format by using upper lowercase len function, format the text by using right left mid function, insert relative absolute and mixed reference, then references name range and name table in formulas, perform conditional operation by using if function, perform calculation by using average if, max, min, sum function. So all these objectives will be covered in today's project. So now we are just moving toward instruction file. So before going to solve this assignment step by step, first we move toward whole assignment, how many points we have in today's assignments. So in today's assignment we have 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We have 18 questions in graded part and 19, 20 and 21 are non-graded one. Okay, so let me move toward the top. So mark the steps as taken when you complete them. Okay. So in first question, steps to complete this project. So in first question we have to open start file, this one, and if the file open in protected view, then click enable button in message bar at the top of file so you can modify it. Okay, so first we have to open our solution file, or we call start file. It is just getting opening. Once it opens, then we will start working. Yes, it is in protected view, so we have to click on enable editing. Then in next part, the file will rename automatically to include your name. Change the project file name if directed to do so by your instructor and save it. So you may see our file name is automatically added our name. So question number 1 and question number 2 are done. In question number 1, we just open our start file, and if it is in protected view, then we have to click on enable editing button in message bar at the top of file so we can modify it. Then in next part, the file will rename automatically to include our name. So both part is done. Now we are moving toward question number 3. After solving question number 1, 2, now we are moving toward question number 3. So on the sales associate worksheet, we have to move to our sale associate worksheet. Then combine sale associate first and last name into single string. So in first part on sales associate worksheet, enter formula in cell C2. We just move toward cell C2 there, and here we have to enter formula. So we put equal sign. Now what formula we have to in? We have to in concept function there. Okay. So equal, then write concept, press tab. Now in that concept function, what we have to in? We have to in first name from cell B2 and last name from cell E2. Be sure include space between first and last name. Okay. So we just move toward here. First we have to in B2. Then we have to in space here. Then we have to in E1. Now close parenthesis and press enter so we get result. Then copy formula to cell C3 to C9. Now we have to copy this one to there. Yes. So question number 3 is done. In question number 3, there are two parts, A and B. In first part, we have to move toward sale associate worksheet, and there we just move toward cell C2, and there we create a formula concept function, and that in concept function we have to in first value B2, then space, then we in E2, and we get result this one. Then we drag that formula. Okay. So question number 3 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 4. On a sale associate worksheet, enter formula in C11 to count. In sale associate worksheet, cell C11. Here we have to in count function. Then what value we have to in to that count function? We have to in this range, okay, to that count function. C2 to C9. Yes, this one. Now simply press enter and we get result. Okay. Sorry, there we use count number. So for that we have to use counter because there are name. So we have to use not count. We have to use counter there. Okay. Now we just simply press enter and we get result. So question number 4 is done. In question number 4, we just move toward sale associate worksheet, and there we have enter formula in cell C11 to count the number of sales associate we have in the formula, and we get this result. Okay. So question number 4 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 5. from the sales associate worksheet, enter formula in C12 to count the number of missing IDs in sales associate ID columns. So first we have to move towards C12, and there we use count function. Okay, now what value we have to pass? We have to pass this values to that function D2 to D9, and simply press enter. So again that didn't get result, so we have to use counter, not count. Okay, now we just get result. Yes. So question number 5 is also done. In question number 5 we just move towards sale associate worksheet, and there we have to use a formula in cell C12 that count the number of missing IDs, blank cells in sale associate ID columns. Okay, and after entering formula we get this result. Okay, so question number 6 and 5 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 6. All sales associate IDs should be 10 character long. Use formula to identify number of character in ID column. So on sale associate worksheet, enter formula in cell E2. We have to move towards cell E2, and there we have to use a formula to calculate the number of character in sale associate ID in D2. So we use a function. So here we use a len function in cell E2. We use a len function, then pass the value of D2, then simply press enter and we get result. Okay, that function count the character in this. Okay, there are 9 characters, so that give that. So question number 6 part E is done. Now we are moving toward part B. Copy formula to cell E3 to E9. Now we have to copy that formula to E3 to E9. Yes, done. So question number 6 is done. And question number 6, we just move toward sales associate worksheet, and there we enter formula using in cell E2, and we have to count number of character in sale associate ID. So for that we have to use a len function, len function, then pass this value to that len function and we get the result. Then in part B we have to copy formula to cell E2 to E9, E3 to E9, and we get this result. Okay, so question number 6 is done. Same way we will solve question number 7, 8, 9. Let me show you how many questions we have in graded part. So in graded part we have 18 questions, and we are on question number 7. So let me solve question number 7. Identify the sales origin for sales associate. So on the sales associate worksheet, enter formula in cell F2 to find sale associate region by accessing the first 3 characters of sales in ID in cell D2. So first we have to move towards cell F2, and there we use a function that enter formula F2 to find the sale associate region by accessing the first 3 characters of sale associate ID D2. Where is D2? So for that we have to use a left function, and there we use this one. Then how many characters we need? We need 3 characters, so we write 3 there, then simply press enter and we get that one. Okay, so question number 7 part E is done. Now in part B we have to copy the formula to cell F3 to F9. We just simply drag that formula toward there and get the result. Okay, so question number 7 is done. In question number 7 there are 2 parts. In first part we have to move towards sale associate worksheet, and there we enter formula in cell F2 to find sale associate region by extracting the first 3 characters of the sale associate in cell D2. So we use a left function there, Then in part B, we have to copy the formula to solve F3 to F9, and after solving question number 7, we get this result. Okay. So same way we will solve question number 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 up to 16 question, 17 sorry. And then last three part are non-graded one. So we have done almost 50% assignment in today's video. You may see we have 18 question. Out of 18 question we have done first 8 to 9 question. So 50% assignment is done from my side in today's video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my WhatsApp number, on my email ID, on my Instagram ID. All links are available in video description, as well as there in bottom of this video. You may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% results in next 30 minutes. Remember that your assignment will be ready in next 30 minutes and your result will be 100%. And it's the biggest opportunity that first you get the result of your assignment, then you pay me. In this way you will remain safe from the scammer and you will get 100% marks. And our price will be reasonable, so you can easily afford that one. So if you need to help for full course help, so for that you have to contact me. I am also available for full course. For full course deal, we can make our deal just like reasonable in price, and your marks will be 100% in full course. Remember that I am also expert of other courses just like mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes. And our price will be reasonable, so you can easily afford that one. And it's biggest opportunity that first you get the result, then you pay me. In this way you will remain safe from the scammer and your result will be 100% in every assignment. So in today's video we have discussed Excel 2021 MOS chapter 4 project SIMnet. In short, we cover all non-graded part, then we move to a graded part and we have solved question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So we will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. So just wait a minute. I'm just going toward one of my client account whom I solved these assignment and he got good marks. You may see we have also done symbol project, practice exam, guided exam. So we have done everything there and my client got above 95% in overall course. Okay, you may see my client got above 95% overall course. So if you need any help regarding these courses, these assignments, for that you have to subscribe my channel and you have to contact me on my WhatsApp number, on my email ID, on my Instagram ID. All links are available in video description as well as there in bottom of this video. You may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes. And our price will be reasonable, so you can easily afford that one. So we will meet soon with our next assignment. Take care. Bye bye. Best of luck for your future.